so amazing that when you start harvesting after sweating for many months, praying for the rains, there are a lot of other people who just want for free. Wow. All they do is just run behind the combine harvester and find where it skips, and they make good of it. I can stop it, but for humanitarian reasons, there are those who eat where they do not sow, so you just let them be. You have to be very careful. Those are other attempts of them trying to siphon even from the truck.